Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Allison Pass Summit, a high point on Highway 3 in the middle of Manning Park, British Columbia. This spot marks a major crossing between the coast and the interior of British Columbia. The pass has been used for many decades and was an important part of building a reliable road through the mountains. Allison Pass is named after John Fall Allison, one of the early settlers who explored and mapped parts of this region in the mid-19th century. The area around the summit is mostly forest, steep hillsides, and open stretches of alpine terrain. The weather can change quickly, and the temperature is usually cooler than the valley below. Drivers often stop here for a break, a photo, or a look at the surrounding mountains.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for joining us on this tour of Allison Pass Summit, British Columbia.
Thanks for watching!